Honey, it's good。
咯，
得唔得？有冇好食㗎嘛
好食啊！
？OK。要唔要斟杯水俾你啊？
唔使啦，thank you。
俾杯茶你啊？一杯咖啡？咖啡 coffee？
茶嗰個
Coffee OK。tea OK。She want a tea. What kind of tea?
點啦？乜個咩 YT 咯？
Oh, she want to drink. My wife want to drink the white tea. She drank coffee this morning already. So it come in different package, okay? Inside single bag. Okay. That's just a what? That's just water that from me. Okay. Little bit more water. Eat it. Oh. 啲水好熱啊，小心啊！擺少少凍水喺度好嘛？ I still have some. Oh, don't use this one. This. Put this away.
啲奶啊，睇下啲奶得唔得？
咩奶啊？有啲奶落去。She want to drink some, put some milk in her tea.
有冇過期啊？
我唔知喎。June 2nd 應該未過期嘅。June 2nd。你阿媽攞翻嚟㗎？
係啊。
你阿媽冇飲到。
要俾錢啊
Oh, she pay money. My wife pay.
佢就係食咗粥啦。
My mother-in-law pay money for the meal and then. 食個粥都好啫。
有粥有塊麵包有隻蛋。
Okay, that's good. Oh. Look at it. The white tea. Okay. I'll drink some milk. Just give me one piece. Ooh, a big piece. I get a big chunk of. 哇，仲好食喎，仲軟熟啊！煲咗2次咯。
咁啊？
跟住